So in this video, we are going to discuss about one of the uh, reconnaissance tool which is used in Android pen testing at the time of Android pen testing. So which is called APK leaks. So before going into the tool, so let first let's discuss about what this tool is used to. So this tool is basically a CLI tool, which is used to scan for hidden domains, hidden URLs, endpoints, and the secret keys, API keys, etc., in the which are set in the APK file of the target application. So you can basically download it by using just a simple command, which is pip3 install APK leaks, or you can use a Docker file as well of APK leaks, or else you can download the source code from GitHub repository and install the requirements. And you just need to enter the command like this, like python 3 APK leaks and the APK name. So now let's discuss about how you can basically find an application in the bug bounty platforms and all. So let's discuss about a few bug bounty approaches now. So I have logged into the HackerOne profile, my account, and navigated to opportunities and selected bug bounty private public programs. And here in the filters you can select Android Play Store and Android.apk filters, which will sort it down for which are the programs that are that have Android applications in it, which are in scope. So let's select one application over here. So I'm selecting this Colesa group, uh, which has an Android application which is in scope. So let's see. Yeah, I'll go to scope now and see. You can see over here, like there are 3 to 4 Android applications which are in scope in this particular program. So let's select one program application in this, and see the latest version of this. So let's see. So here it is. So kolesa.kz, and it has 10 million downloads, and the latest version was updated on you know July 31st, which is few days back of 2023. So yeah, so instead of here, a simple technique which is you just need to instead of retrieving the file from the installed device and all by using ADB and etc. So that's a hectic task, and it will take a lot of time to retrieve the file which is installed on that particular device or emulator. So instead of that, you can basically use a few online resources like APK Mirror or APK Monk or APK Pure. So all these are third party websites which hosts all the latest builds of all the applications of the Play Store. So here you can see I've used APK. I'm using APK Mirror over here. So let's download the APK file from this APK Mirror. So uh, make sure that to download the latest version of this application, which is which is of July 21st, is the latest version. So yeah, click on download over here. Yeah, so now copy this link and navigate to Kali Linux. So if the tool was installed, APK leaks was installed in this host system, so you can basically download the APK and use the tool, APK leaks tool. I have installed the tool in this Kali Linux, so I'm downloading the file, APK file, in this Kali Linux virtual machine. So let's download the APK file. So here it is. The file is getting downloaded. So it will take few seconds to download. Yeah, so the file got downloaded now. So here it is. So you just need to rename this particular file to coalesce .apk. Okay, so just for your feasibility. So now, what you will do is, you just need to navigate to the file where the apk leaks was installed. So here there is the Python file. So you just need to type the command over here, apk leaks dot py hyphen f and apk. Yeah, which is in the downloads part. So I have mentioned the path over here and the apk name. So when you click on enter, so it basically if there is no JADX file, JADX was installed on your system, so it will prompt you to install that particular JADX. So this particular tool will now do is like it will basically convert all the it will decompile the APK, and when you decompile the APK, so all the code which is decompiled is in DEX format, so which is not at all a human readable format. So it will convert the DEX code to the Java code, which is a jar file. So for that, this particular APK leaks tool will use a tool called JADX, so which will convert the DEX file to jar files, and then it will scan for the hidden domains and secret keys or hidden endpoints, etc., 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 which we are gonna see now. Yeah. So it will so based on the size of the application, so on the size of the APK file, so it will take that much time to convert that particular text files to jar and then to scan for the sensitive information in the APKs. So yeah, let's wait for a few more seconds. So as this getting converted to jar files, uh, yeah, let's wait for a few seconds. Yeah, as you can see, there is some code broken at the time of execution, so which is completely fine. So now here comes the APK tool part now. So now APK leaks will scan for all the sensitive information which is there in the jar files. So yeah, so let's see what kind of results it gonna give now. Yeah, I think the scan is completed. Uh, let's wait till the execution completes. Yeah. So as you can see, the APK leaks has now completed the scan. So here are the list of endpoints which have been retrieved by the tool. So which can be used at the time of reconnaissance of an application or web application or mobile application. So you can basically copy these endpoints and save in some text file, or copy it and paste it in the burp intruder, simple list payload, and brute force that particular root domain. Okay, it's parent domain. Yeah, so you can, and then there might be some leak of some hidden domains in this results. So you need to check carefully the output of that APK leaks tool. So yeah, so after that, there is another module which is versions like JWT JSON Web Token version. So this is kind of false positive kind of. and most of this IP address might be false positive, as we this tool uses rejects us. So this might be a false positive as well. So, yeah. So as you can see, there are few cloud platforms which are used by this application, and Google API keys are being leaked in the APK, and some generic API keys, and as you can see, Firebase domain bucket URL is also being leaked in the APK file. So let's see how we can check the leaked information which was given by the APK leaks tool. So I've copied the Google API key uh, uh, which was given by the APK leaks tool. So now I've copied that tool key and paste it in this online tool which was built with blindf.com. So paste that tool over here, paste that key over here, and check it. So if that particular key is vulnerable for few instances, so it will give you as a vulnerability, or else it is not vulnerable. Yeah, so you need to check for each and how many as many API keys, Google API keys as you want. So yeah, so now let's whenever you see a Firebase URL, right? So you just need to go to that particular URL and give this .json. If that particular bucket is misconfigured, so you will get the list of sensitive information on and the details about that particular bucket, Firebase bucket, in the response. So as this particular bucket is deactivated by the admin, so this is not a vulnerability. So yeah, so just need to check all these URLs and all. So I hope you have understood this particular tool. So you can basically use this particular tool in at the time of bug hunting or pen testing of your Android applications. So which is very easy to use and get some fruitful results and some bounty. So yeah. So let's connect in another video with another tool. So yeah, thank you. Make sure to subscribe the channel and like and share. Thank you so much. Bye.